Hello my friends, here's a little garden update. Checking things out today. Everything's looking great. We have happy pumpkins. We have a small tomato. If you've seen the original video, you may have seen, or you should have seen anyway, the basalt, the magnetic lines that I added. This was recent. We have a pumpkin over there just kind of by itself, and then we have two pumpkins here. Yeah, after adding basalt and magnets, there was an explosion of growth. Everything's maintained with watering about 2 times a week. Stevo Magneto Electrico. Some of the first fruit showing. We're looking at the undercarriage.
There's a bird. There we go. Where the hell were you an hour ago, man?
6 magnets. Galvanized steel running north and south. Today I added some more of that green mulch, brown mulch, stuff from the yard. Gave a nice layer of compostable material on top of the garden. After time it'll just smash down and turn into soil. But it also helps keeps the weeds down. This vine's stretching about 7 feet from the pole. The Electroculture atmospheric antenna with those Fibonacci's. The nice atmospheric antenna topper pointed to the north. Yeah, I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone's garden is doing great. Thank you for joining me on this update. Yeah, if you've seen the original Fibonacci video, you may already know how to make this. But I'll definitely leave a link in the description on the original, and I'll make a short how-to on this new one. Kind of looks like the Lotus.